Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So, this vlog is about my trip to Shiroi Koibito, the famous Sapporo chocolate factory that produces Sapporo White Chocolate. So, let's go. This is a long way walk to Sapporo Chocolate Factory. Finally, we can see the building. It's like a historical building, a beautiful one, like European building. As you can see, even the fence they have like cat shape, which is cool. So this is the enter to Shiroi Koibito Chocolate Factory. You don't have to pay, you just go in. So this factory is very huge and it was even bigger before it was renovated. So they have this big garden of flowers, and this beautiful little house. So I'm taking pictures of my parents. It's a very nice place to take pictures, especially for those who are self-grams. Very beautiful place. It's not like a factory. It's more like a amusement park. And as you can see, all around me are surrounded by big buildings that seems like European buildings. They have this long bridge that connects you with the entrance of Shiroi Koibito. So this is inside the building of Shiroi Koibito. Here they sell the chocolate and candies and another products, and they also have cafe here. This is the cafe. So the cafe theme is a little bit unique. There are many cars, toy cars, the shelf, and then table are very unique too. You can play on the table. And as you go out, you can see that there is a playground for your kids here. So if they are bored, they can just play in the playground. And this is a very small fish. I think it's not fish, but like more like plankton maybe. And they have this schedule where they show the process of making candies through this window. So you can see they are pouring the caramel in the video, and next they will mix the caramel. And in this part, they are pulling the caramel to make it to candies that later will be sold in their store. So that's all from me. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.